1. Bedbug-proof the mattress. For this step, you will need the bedbug barrier mattress protector. Start by removing any affected bedding for separate washing and treatment. Next, remove the mattress from the bed and prop it against the wall. Now, take the bedbug barrier mattress protector and fit it over the mattress. Take care to fit the mattress protector evenly. Partially zip the mattress protector before flipping the mattress. Now flip the mattress over and zip the mattress protector up fully. Be sure to secure the Velcro tab and encase the mattress completely. Leave the mattress propped against the wall while you treat the bed frame. If you have bed bugs in your room, they will come to the bed at night looking for a blood meal, but they will be stopped by the bed bug barriers and killed after coming into contact with the powder.